Hello everybody, this is Maniac for Bricks, and I'm here today with the LEGO Movie Retractable Pen in Benny's form. There are other ones that are available, such as Wild Style and President Business, but today we're talking about Benny. Ages 6 and up, this is available in 2014, and doesn't look like it has much other information other than it was created with MZB Imagination, and this originally retailed for $10 for the retractable pen. Now, luckily, I'm doing this review at a time after I've bought the Benny's Spaceship set, so we're able to compare it with the minifigure and see how the two look. But first, let's open up the package, since it hasn't been opened yet. I'll have to open it off screen so that I can take good care of it. It easily opens up on the top with a few flaps, and the whole thing slides out on a plastic tray. One part of the tray has already fallen off, and it has the oxygen tank for Benny on the back, which can be attached to the head. So there we have our package materials. Here we have our giant Benny, and here we have the pen. This is a retractable pen, as in you can change the height of it, very slightly though. You can add the oxygen tank on the back, so when you put them together, it looks like a full minifigure. There we go. It snaps a little bit into place, a little bit tight, and it looks like a giant Benny. The legs don't move on it, but the arms do. And you can also move each of the wrists. Obviously, this is not a minifigure, so it does not have a double-sided face. It doesn't seem like this moves too far as the retractability. As you notice, this is how it looks when it's retracted, and this is when it's closed. So there is a little bit of room in order to open it up right with it, but it can still hit your hand depending on how big of a hand you have. Now we'll take a look at this large Benny compared to the minifigure Benny. Between the two, I can see that they have pretty much the same exact details, even down to what's faded away on their torsos. I'll give you a closer look of that. And you can even see they had the same face. And it's a little bit darker in terms of printing on here, but it's still accurate. Now we'll take a look at them from the back. They're still pretty good as far as detail on the oxygen tank. And they both even have the cracked helmet, a special part of Benny as a character from the LEGO Movie. Now I'm going to grab a piece of paper so that I can write down something and see if it'll work with the Benny retractable pen. And luckily, off in the distance, I have a piece of paper to write with. So I'll just write out a little message. That I probably didn't really spell right. So you can see with the Benny retractable pen, it writes well, as I just opened it, so it should be good with ink. And it writes in black ink, contrary to the figure, which is in blue, which I actually like. I personally prefer black ink when it comes to writing down things. Not that it makes too much of a difference, though. But for me, it's a little bit more of a preference. So, overall, this is a neat little accessory to have. If you're a fan of the LEGO Movie and of Benny, the 1980-something spaceman, this would be a nice accessory to pick up. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time with more LEGO reviews.